Good morning guys, today we've got here Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. First enroll the list of all apps and enter settings, then find and select accounts, accounts and backup right here, select manage accounts and mark on plus icon to add account. Now click on Google, wait a couple of seconds, and now provide your email address or phone number. In my case, it is email address. And then tap on next. Now it is time to enter your password, so let me do it off the screen. This only the password is entered, tap on next. Now go through Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, tap on I agree. Accept all the other setup, and that's it. As you can see, from now on your account is added, you can smoothly use it. Once you tap on it, you can remove it also. So once you want to get rid of your account, just open accounts and backup and mark remove account, then confirm it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.